Discover Oxford Boulevard, introducing the ingenious, smart living. From the thrum of the downtown lifestyle to the mysticism of the dunes, there is no place like Dubai. Oxford Boulevard, located in the center of the all-futuristic development, envisioned as a one-of-a-kind residential project, using intuitive smart technology by Hager, UK to make living more meaningful. This ingenious project includes the ground floor with podium-level parking, housing 4 floors of smart apartments, offering studios, 1-2 bedrooms and penthouses with all amenities. With lavish lobby living spaces, create memorable moments with family friends, all brought together. Oxford Boulevard, ingeniously smart.